The green promise, deep in the rich, dark soil, long before the sun knew her name, a tiny root pushed out from a sturdy rhizome. This was the very, very beginning of Asha. Up, up, up she reached, feeling a warm promise high above. She unfurled her first great green leaf, a flag announcing her arrival to the world. Days became weeks, and Asha grew strong, stretching towards the tropical sky. The leaves rustled like silk ribbons in the warm breeze. Fade, and a beautiful butter yellow spread from the tips to the base. Asha was ripe. A kind hand carefully harvested the bunch. Asha had finished her growing journey. She was ready to be shared, to be sweet, and to fulfill the sun-filled promise made that very first day in the dark soil.